Chapter 8 Measurements. Let's recall. Pick the right mark for the one that has the longer tail. Tick the right mark which is heavier. Circle the biggest animal. Circle the shortest dot. Get set. Put the tick mark against the longer rope. Put the cross mark against the lighter fruits. Think and fill in the blanks. The tallest person in your family, the shortest person in your family. You can write here. Number the following marks in the order of their height. Start from the tallest. Let's move forward. Measuring length. We can measure the length of an object by comparing it with an other object. About 5 matchsticks long, about 7 matchsticks long. Measure your pencil box and objects inside it with the help of paper clips. About 5 paper clips long, about 9 paper clips long this scale, about 4 paper clips long and about 5 paper clips long this geometry box. We can also use body parts to measure the length of an object. Finger, hand span, cubit, foot span, pace. This is the activity. Measuring weight. The weight of an object tells us how heavy or light the object is. Have you ever swung up and down in a seesaw? What happens when you sit on one side and the other side is empty? You go down. How will you go up? On a seesaw, the heavier side goes down and the lighter side goes up. I am lighter, I am heavier. Practice coach, tick the right mark for the seesaw that is balanced. This one is balanced. Write H for the heavier thing and L for the lighter thing in each option. You can complete this activity. We use a weight balancing to measure weight. A weight balance is like a seesaw with pans. Observe the pictures and fill in the boxes. The book weighs about 2 apples. The mangoes weight about 3 oranges. Next, measuring capacity. The capacity of a container tells how much liquid the container can hold. Rohan and Riya are comparing the capacities of their sippers. Whose sipper holds more water? We can see from the picture that Rohan's sipper holds more water. The capacity of Rohan's sipper is more than the capacity of Riya's sipper. Circle the container that has more capacity. Here you can circle. The length of a pencil is about 6 paper clips. You can measure approximately. A jug holds 10 cups of water and Raima drinks 8 cups of water from the jug. Take the image that shows the leftover amount of water. Box A is heavier than box B and box B is heavier than C. Which one of them is the heaviest box? A. Then comes the activity. This is the activity 1 and 2. Next comes the revision station. Look at the picture and fill in the blanks. The pencil is longer than the eraser by 3 matchsticks. Look at the pictures and fill in the blanks. The mango weighs 8 marbles. The lightest object is the pencil. Look at the picture and answer the questions. The one having the maximum capacity is this one, Z. The one having the minimum capacity is X. Next comes the worksheet. Look at the collection of objects given below. Water bottle, rope, scale, ladder, mug, bucket, glass, watermelon, tree, football, elephant, rat. Now answer the following questions. Sort the images shown above according to the suitable measure and write their names in the table. One has been done for you. You can fill this. Give one example of each where we use length, weight and the capacity in real time. Rewrite the objects in correct order. Arrange from shortest to longest. Ladder, matchstick, ruler. You need to arrange. Arrange from lightest to heaviest. Notebook, bag, lunchbox. You can arrange. Arrange from highest capacity to least capacity. Bucket, mug, bottle. You can arrange. This completes chapter 8, measurement.